Imagine this: no followers, no audience, no tools, just a laptop, a fresh start, and the desire to build something meaningful. That's the question I want to answer today. What would I do if I had to start completely over? No momentum, no shortcuts, no safety net. Because whether you're new or you've tried before and got stuck, this is for you. This video is the exact roadmap I wish I had when I was beginning. Not years of mistakes and second guessing, just the path that works. And if you stick with me to the end, I'll show you how to grab everything I mentioned today in one place. It's all inside Toolkit 7, your partner stack. Let's start where most people quit, the very beginning. When Craig first got started in affiliate marketing, he made the mistake almost everyone makes. He tried to do everything. Build funnels from scratch, write endless emails, watch tutorial after tutorial. He chased every strategy, every guru, every shiny object, and none of it worked. What did work? Plugging into a proven system. That was the turning point. Craig joined the Millionaire Partner System, MPS, a done-for-you program that eliminated 90% of the guesswork. Funnels? Done. Emails? Done. Traffic plan? Included. Step-by-step guidance? Built in. His first commission didn't just make him money, it proved he could do this. Glenn Kosky, creator of MPS, even said, "Craig is one of our most consistent top affiliates. His referrals convert because they actually follow the steps. And that's what makes MPS perfect for anyone starting fresh today." You're not alone. You're following a path that's already working. Momentum is powerful, but scaling is where you turn a few commissions into a real business. That's where Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 comes in. This program, built by Jonathan Montoya, gave Craig the exact blueprint to automate, scale, and build high-ticket systems. From funnel setups to automation tools to daily traffic strategies, everything was covered. 1 month in, Craig earned his first $1,000 commission, not by guessing, not by hustling 14 hours a day, but by following an automated system that worked while he focused on content and conversions. And it wasn't just Craig. Sasha from Miami, a CashWave subscriber, told us, "I started with MPS, but Freedom Breakthrough is where things really clicked. My first $1,000 came within weeks, and I haven't looked back since." Jonathan himself said, "Craig's subs take action. That's why they win," and he's right. This is step 2 for a reason. It's what turns belief into real, scalable results. Quick wins are great, but what about consistent, predictable income? That's why the third step in Craig's rebuild is always the Home Business Academy, HBA. HBA isn't flashy, it's foundational. It pays recurring commissions every single month for work you did once. That's what creates real financial stability. Craig's first month, $300 in monthly recurring commissions. Month 3, over $1,000. He wasn't grinding harder. He was working smarter, with the support of a program designed to stack income long-term. Paul Hutchings, co-founder of HBA, shared, "What I admire about Craig's community is their integrity and consistency. They don't just talk about results, they create them. If you're starting from scratch, you need more than commissions. You need stability. That's what HBA gives you." Let's talk about tools, because systems and strategy only get you so far. Tools are what save time, simplify work, and let you look like a pro, even if you're just getting started. And if Craig had to rebuild with nothing but a laptop and Wi-Fi, here's what he'd stack inside Toolkit 7, Systeme.io, the central hub, funnels, emails, automations, done from one dashboard. Pictory.ai, convert your scripts into pro-quality videos in minutes. 0 editing skills required. Klap, AI-driven short-form video edits, perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Reels. Repurpose.io, take one video and post it to 5 platforms automatically. vidIQ, grow faster on YouTube with AI-powered optimization, title tracking, and ranking tools. Craig used Systeme.io to build an entire funnel plus email sequence in a single afternoon. He used Klap plus Repurpose to turn long videos into daily content drops without lifting a finger. This is how you automate smart, and everything is inside Toolkit 7. Craig's 5th and final step? Diversify. Once the foundation is working, the recurring income is in place, and the tools are running, it's time to build something that lasts. For Craig, that meant going faceless on YouTube. With Tube Mastery, he learned how to build channels that generate income passively without showing his face. With TubeMagic, he automated the thumbnail process, used AI to generate scripts, and optimized metadata to rank faster. It was like having a full video production team for less than the cost of dinner. That's where your business becomes a brand. You're no longer chasing sales. You're building a machine that brings in leads, commissions, and community. And you don't need a camera. You don't need confidence. You need a system. Craig found his, and now you can too. Let's recap the exact path Craig would follow if he had to start over today. Millionaire partner system. Start fast with built-in funnels plus email sequences. Freedom breakthrough. Scale smart with automation plus high-ticket income. Home Business Academy. Secure stability with monthly recurring commissions. Partner stack tools. Automate and simplify everything. YouTube diversification. Scale into long-term traffic plus passive brand growth. This isn't theory, this is real. And everything you need is inside Toolkit 7, your partner stack. It's free, it's proven, and it's built for you. So if you're watching this thinking, I'm ready, but I'm not sure where to start, this is your sign. Open the toolkit, follow the steps, stack the right programs, use the right tools, and stay connected. Craig built this from nothing. Thousands of CashWave subscribers are doing the same. Now it's your turn. Let's build it together. All the links from today's video are below. Grab what you need and subscribe for more.